inside. We are in France. Okay.
Film the train.
I am filming everything. And we're getting in. Oh, it's plenty of space, baby, and you can do it. I probably cannot, but you definitely can. Look. Go closer here already. Arniczek, wake up. It's okay, right?
Mm-hmm.
Are you stressed?
No. Filming?
It's all the time.
Cool.
Is Arnie in your way with the mirror, love?
No. I go next to him, right?
Yeah.
Anyway, it's enough space, so.
I think someone's gonna be coming and telling us that to move forward. Yeah. Hey, Arnie! Hey! Hey. Bravo.
No one after us.
Let's go. That's it, baby. You have to switch off the engine and...
Hey. Arnold.
Listen!
So I think that was
Can you
all.
give him one?
I don't think he's deserved anything.
Okay, just wait maybe because the guy might be coming back.
Let me film us just a second.
No, I don't want to look bad.
No, you look beautiful.
Maybe I do.
Arnie? Dominica?
Hey.
Hey, everybody? We are in the train.
Oh, he put his...
What?
He put his lights on, I don't know why.
I don't know.
I want to go on the back too.
Switch it off?
Yeah.
Switch it off?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay. The dog is bad.
Dog is always bad. Hey, pierniczku.
You don't see him, but he's bad. Stay? Arnold, no. Stay.
That's it. Goodbye. Goodbye
Look,
from
look.
England.
People.
And welcome. It's gonna be a welcome from France. Uh-oh. I've got a doggy on my lap. Oh my
No. Jos.
She's looking for... Awawa. Oops, bumpy. And welcome to France. Right?
Yeah, welcome to France. Or like people say France.
Like some people, well-educated people say. Oh, it's such a shame. I thought it's gonna be a day like that. Oh, so cool. Thank you. Bye-bye.
You're beautiful. I don't care if it tears me apart. We couldn't let go from the get-go. I think we're past trying
baby, I don't believe you.
Don't believe it's true.
I don't
You
actually.
make the coffee
See.
do. Now we're gonna
You look
do.
cool. I look like scheiße.
Cause this is doggy's true. And it's raining do. Do 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 do. Do 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 do.
Just wanted to show where was our first spot for the night or for early morning. Because we arrived 7, right?
Yes, and when we go to sleep 8 because we walked the dog 1 hour to poo.
And he didn't.
Halo, you should let it go. Don't stop. I love it when you touch my skin.
Do you like Belgium?
Belgium? The weather.
The weather is not great, it's English weather.
English weather. It was English weather in France as well. With the little river. Horses. Forgot to mention.
Oh, the cows. But congratulations.
Nice talent here.
Oh,
The
wow.
soldiers, look.
So clearly something happening here, isn't it? It's such a
The
shame
mine, kind of. Let's go a bit.
they don't do
Look
the...
that road. So
In a minute, love, you look there. Can I look one thing and then we move to another? Oi, almost fell. No, you cannot go. You probably don't see anything.
Oh.
Hi, Ernie.
Okay.
The steps are really steep. Hold on, with my luck. Oh. They've got pictures. It's the same with the chapel, but they don't have any like info.
Well, it is just our name. Who knows, they know.
Oh wow. Yeah. Imagine autumn time when the leaves start to change.
But here, dog on leash or something.
Yeah, you have to. I think they have to be on leash. Oh, such a shame about the weather
Can you imagine? A
because
nice
it's so
sun?
beautiful. Yeah.
Oh, but it's beautiful like that anyway.
The cornfields. If we're hungry, there are no corn.
It
Are
is
they? Oh yeah, there is.
full of it.
Oh yes, it is. Oh wow. Oh, it's massive.
I'll make a
Oh,
picture.
so gorgeous. You most probably can go and visit the castle, but I don't think we have time for that, right?
Here we go.
We're not sure. We did check what's the place called, but we're not even gonna attempt to pronounce that.
No.
We might maybe put on in a video where was our first spot, right? To give people advice if they ever this way. It's a good place to park for night.
It's a really nice place.
Mm. And when we arrived in the morning, there were 2 vans in there. One motorhome, right? One motorhome,
A little one.
a little van and a motorhome. And there was no one else. And the place is massive. There's a lot of parking space. So we just dropped there, went straight to sleep after all night driving. And that's it. Woke up in the morning to the autumny weather, but it's not cold.
No, it's beautiful.
So fresh.
I like this fresh air. It's so
fresh.
fresh
Mhm.
and green, and I do enjoy it so much.
Yeah.
Well, I feel so
Me
good
too.
after this now. Stretch.
In a way
go.
that, yeah, I want to say, in a way it's good to have a dog because it forces you to get out.
Yeah, yeah,
isn't
it's
it?
not still laying down in
Yeah,
bed.
yeah.
I mean, it's not
We
bad.
both had such a headache. I feel so much better. It's
I-
still not clear
You do?
completely.
I don't.
Oh, you don't? Oh, I'm so sorry.
That's right.
I feel the fresh air for me is doing the job.
I did say to you, and you didn't want to come for a walk
Yeah, you're right.
because of this rain.
I think we're done for a moment.
No, it's bad. fine, it's fine. I don't care if the walls are caving in right now. I need you to kill off my lonely nights. Otherwise, I'll just be dead inside. I can't keep pretending you don't exist. Hate the lies, you know I can't resist, yeah. Baby, I don't mind you calling. I'm still awake in my bed. Say the things you shouldn't be saying. I don't want
Hello.
You watch where you go.
you to act like you still have that halo. Halo, got the halo. Like you still have that halo. Halo, you should let it go. Sing me to sleep, I need you, want you. Don't wanna dream, just lay